Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this OnePlus. You need to begin by locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Settings in this pop-up. Click on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. And then tap on the back button. Now you can click on Standard and tap on the best mode for you, Standard, Meeting or Interview. When you're ready, tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up. Allow in this one. And as you can see, after that my recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one. And in order to add a photo mark, click on the right one. Now select Agree and Continue. Then Allow. And over here while using or only this time. Finally, you can take a picture. If you want to discard it, click on this X icon, then retake it. In order to save it though, tap on the check mark instead. Now you can discard your recording right away by tapping on this X at the top left corner, or save it by choosing check mark at the top right one. Name your recording however you want to. Click on Save. And as you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. And if you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can adjust even more recording options by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and managing all of them however you wish to, like format. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!